Hello everyone, this is Stefan, you're watching SYG Tech. So iPhone 7 Plus is running the latest version of the iOS. So how this iPhone was performing for the past couple of weeks with the iOS 15. Actually, this is gonna be just update for you guys. This is my main daily driver. I'm using this iPhone every day. My main SIM card is inside, and I like the big size of the 5.5-inch iPhone. So let me know in the comments down below. In today's video, I'm going to give you my update about the battery performance, about the speed, and also in general some of the new features on the iOS 15 on this device. So iPhone 7 Plus running the latest version of the iOS. Let me show you about, and as you can see, iOS 15 nearly 3 weeks. This device actually was performing very well for the past couple of days, and I don't know, I didn't have any issues. But first, let's talk about the battery, which is the more important. I think many people want to know about the battery life of this iPhone 7 Plus. So iOS 15 was running pretty well. I didn't have any issues, any problems with the iPhone 7 Plus. The battery actually was performing very well. I did a speed test with this iPhone, with the iPhone 8 as well. So make sure to watch it in the end of today's video, or I'm gonna leave the descriptions down below. But the battery on this iPhone was okay. Actually, I was surprised that this iPhone still keeps me all day. Believe it or not. Obviously, with the light use, if you don't watch videos, I think you can have a nearly about 7 hours with this phone on a light use, which again, this is pretty good. This is uh it's it's nice due to the battery. The battery is nearly 3000 milliamp hour, 2900. But yeah, iOS 15 was performing very well. I know many people probably was complaining about the drain. Obviously, when you update, not many people updating to the latest version, because the first thing that they consider is the battery life, because they don't want to have like a worse battery. So I'm gonna ask you a question. Let me know in the comments down below if you're running the latest version of the iOS, and do you see any battery problems with your device. But personally, I think the iOS 15 it's stable. I didn't have any issues, any problems actually. No slowdowns. Everything works fine. And as you know, this iPhone, it's not new. This is being used, and the battery health on this iPhone is 84% actually, which is not bad. But the battery is great. I don't have any problems. Obviously, this is an old iPhone, but still the battery is great. So my advice is, um, if you update to latest version, uh, because some people sending me messages, they leave a comments down below that they didn't update the latest version because they're afraid about the battery. My advice is wait. If this is your main device, you should not update. But because this is my job, I do these videos because of you. So for me, if the battery goes, it's completely fine. But I don't want to risk your battery to go down. So my advice is wait for maybe for a couple of weeks, and then you should update to the latest version. But like I mentioned, I didn't have any issues, any problems with this device. Performance wise, Apple, they're doing very good. This iPhone was running smooth as a butter, no problems, old application, games, everything works fine, watching videos. Once again, I'm gonna say again, this is my main device. All my apps are here. So other than that, the performance was doing very good on this device. No complaints, no slowdowns. So again, once again, iOS 15 is running very good. No issues with the iOS. Any slowdowns? No, actually everything works as you're supposed. So personally, I think the iOS 15 is stable.
And again, this is like a 3 weeks after we update it, so probably soon we're gonna have another update. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to be notified when I do that for you guys. But performance-wise, very good. So now let's talk about some of the new features of the iOS 15 on a iPhone 7 Plus. First interesting new feature is the Safari. So the address bar now is here down on the bottom, which is pretty good in my opinion. If you want to change between the tabs, you just go left and right, as you can see, and you can move between the tabs. Another option is here on the right corner. You can press this, you can jump between the tabs, as you can see, and you can open new tab if you place the plus sign here, which is pretty good. So Safari, in my opinion, very good update. Interesting new feature is the weather app. When you scroll to the different locations, you can see the weather is changing. In Edinburgh now it's raining. If you change to a different location, as you can see, sunny, shower, and so on. So it's giving real-time information about the weather. So this is a new cool feature in my opinion. Also, we have another interesting new feature, which again, this is very good. We have the focus mode. So here, this is more advanced, do not disturb mode. And I love this feature because let's say you're at work and you want to add, let's say, John, only John to contact you. So you can add that, press the plus button, and you can add only John to contact you. Also, you can choose different applications to get let's say, and if you wait, let's say maybe messages from Facebook, from let's say from Twitter, you can enable these messages only here. So I mean, it's pretty good. Personally, I think, in my opinion, this is very good updated do not disturb advanced mode. So definitely check it out. And pretty much there's a more features, but they're like a small visual features in my opinion. Another interesting new feature is the widgets. So for example, if you go to wiggle mode, press the plus button, and if you scroll down, we have new widgets. So we have a couple of new widgets. We have the contacts, as you can see here. We have Find Mine, this is a new widget. Also, we have Sleep, again, this is a new widget. So cool new widgets. Again, you can edit your stacks, which is pretty good. But overall, I think this is pretty good update, especially for all the devices such as 7 Plus, in my opinion. So overall, I'm very happy with this update. This is my main device. I didn't have any issues once again. So personally, I think update is very good. So my advice is, if you're not afraid about the battery life or the performance, I think you should definitely update. But if this is your main device, you should wait maybe for a couple of days until we receive another software update. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, guys, about the iOS 15 on iPhone 7 Plus. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll check your comments. I'm very happy to do that for you. So once again, I'm really happy if you hit that like button. This is gonna help me a lot. This is the only way to support this channel, by pressing the like button and subscribing as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.